Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today is time for Virabhadrasana 3, for Warrior 3. Let's start standing up, and we'll do it from standing. So one leg will be lifted, you know that it will be extended to the back and in the air, so you will keep it up and active in the air. Another leg will be down on the mat and will be really active. So before you come into the pose, you shift your pelvis. So one leg, let's say in my case it will be my left down, so keep it really heavy and down, press with all four corners of the feet. Now from your pelvis you can keep this micro bend of the standing knee, but you pull that knee up and you engage your quadricep here. Quadricep is strong and active. Then you tilt your pelvis, lifting your right leg, so your ankle and your hip stay in one line, and you internally rotate, so your knee and your toes pointing down towards the floor. You can somehow look at them and check if they're there. Then you lower your pelvis, your upper body a little bit. Arms can be to the side, it's a little bit easier. Again, the front leg can be straight, but pull the knee up and no locking on the knee here. Even micro bending maybe. Pulling down. That back foot is really active, so slowly come out. Another way, a great way to try it, to do it next to the wall. So you're coming a little bit closer, then you stay, so find the right distance. You press, I need a little bit more here. So you see, you already know that your toes pointing down, so your hips, come out if you fall, and then come back. You press onto that wall, you press, arms to the side or arms to the front. Good. And then slowly come up. Let's do the another leg just to equalize things. So right foot down, four corners, pressing down. Shift your pelvis a little bit, so you know that you're shifting the weight of your body towards your right foot. Then again, straight with the straight leg. Kick it back, toes in, leg in, knee pointing down. Tilt your pelvis, bring your leg, your left ankle and your left hip in one line. If you can, then lower a little bit. And so you know that your weight is right above your right leg, right hip. And then arms to the front. And then slowly come out. Good. Namaste, I think you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think and see you in the next videos.